let us begin with our briefing for Master of Psychology, semester January 2026. Okay, before I go further, first and foremost, let me extend a warm welcome to all of you. Congratulations on being accepted into a Master of Psychology program here at Open University Malaysia. Okay, this is actually an important milestone in your academic and of course your professional journey. And I, Dr. Amira Ali Mansur, I am truly delighted to have you here with us today. Yeah. Okay. So this online briefing has been arranged to guide you through some of the important key aspects of the program. Okay, so that it can help you to begin your studies with clarity. Okay, so basically for today's presentation, I will share with you regarding the entry requirement. Okay, followed by the program structures. What are the courses that you need to register throughout Master of Psychology? The learning mode, the assessment mode, as well as some of the important contact number. Okay, you might need the contact number not for this semester, but later on, for example, for your final year project registrations or for your next semester course registration and etc. So I will share with you the important contact number for you to contact. Okay, in my upcoming presentation slide. Right. So, first and foremost, okay, let me share with you regarding Master of Psychology program itself. Yeah. So, Master of Psychology, or we call it as MPSY, the acronym MPSY, is a program offered by Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities. Okay, so this is actually another postgraduate program offered by FSSH in OUM. Okay, and our program is fully accredited by MQA, meaning to say we have full license, okay, to offer this program, and the recognition number is FA 5677. Okay, maksudnya program ini telah menerima akreditasi daripada pihak MQA, okay, dan nombor rujukannya adalah FA 5677. Okay. In OUM, we have 3 intakes throughout the year. Okay. For the beginning of the year, we have intakes in semester January, okay, followed by semester May and semester September 2026. Okay, if let's say you have friend who is interested to enroll into MPSY, okay, you can suggest your friends to enroll in May 2026, which is our upcoming semester. Okay, and our mode of study is part-time and it is a fully online mode. Okay, so you don't have to worry about your ongoing career, okay, because our delivery method, okay, is fully online. You have to attend the lecture online. If let's say it is not ample for you, okay, you have important things to attend on that day, you can always view the class recording at your convenience later on. Okay, so each courses, the lecturers are compulsory to record their lecture, and they are compulsory to upload the lecture video. And in case the student cannot attend the class, okay, the student may view the lecture recording at their own convenience. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, but if let's say you have ample time, okay, you can have a look at the e-timetable or the class we call the class timetable as e-lecture schedule. You can view the e-lecture schedule, when is the class, okay, and the Google Meet link. Okay, if it is ample for you, you are welcome to join the online lecture. Okay, so the duration is for 6 semester, okay, within 2 years. And regarding the entry requirement, this is another important aspect for me to share with you. Okay, so please check, your CGPA, your minimum CGPA to enroll into MPSY. Okay, you must make sure that your degree is minimum at CGPA 2.50. Okay, if let's say your CGPA, your bachelor degree CGPA is 2.37, 2.45, and you haven't sit for rigorous assessment and interview, okay, please inform your learning center. Okay, so the entry requirement is that for bachelor degree, you must achieve at least a minimum CGPA 2.50. Okay, so another important aspect is that please check, are you a bachelor degree? Do you have bachelor degree in psychology, or your bachelor degree is a non-psychology, meaning to say other than psychology field? For example, bachelor degree in counseling, or your bachelor degree is in finance, accountancy, any other disciplines, okay, other than psychology, you are required to complete prerequisite courses before you can enroll to Master of Psychology. So please make sure, if let's say your bachelor degree is a non-psychology, for example, bachelor in medicine, bachelor in counseling, bachelor in finance, or other fields, okay, make sure that you have completed the 15 prerequisite courses, and you have passed all the 15 prerequisite courses before you enroll into Master of Psychology. If let's say, okay, your background is, for example, Bachelor in Finance, okay, non-psychology bachelor's degrees, and you haven't sit for prerequisite courses, kindly contact your learning center as soon as possible. Okay, this is an important requirement set by MQA for non-psychology candidate with non-psychology background. You are required to complete the 15 prerequisite courses first, and when you have passed the 15 prerequisite courses, then only you can enroll to Master of Psychology. Okay, this is an important requirement which you need to abide by. Okay, so if let's say you have passed the 15 prerequisite courses, okay, no problem for you to enroll to our Master of Psychology. Okay, so this is actually the 15 prerequisite courses for candidates without bachelor degree in psychology. So you have to take Introduction to Psychology, History and Philosophy of Psychology, Child Psychology, okay, Social Psychology, Biological, Cognitive Psychology, Psychology of Learning, Statistic for Psychology, okay, Research Methods in Psychology, and so on and so forth. Okay, we offer these prerequisite courses in a package. Okay, we call it as CG Professional Psychology. where you need to register it via CellPlus. Okay, it is a micro-credential program. Okay, you can visit our CellPlus website, or you can contact our marketing department if, let's say, you have to sit for prerequisite courses but you haven't do so. Okay. The next one. Okay. So this is our program structure. Okay. It is a Master of Psychology. It is a generic master program. We do not offer specialization. Okay. What we offered are electives. Okay. So in the structure, okay. So in the program structure, you can see what are the courses that are required for you to register for each semester. Okay, for example, for the first semester, okay, meaning to say this semester, you have to register for AMPL 5103, Ethical, Legal and Professional Issues, and AMPM 5103, Multicultural Psychology. Okay, so these are the two compulsory courses that you need to register in your first semester. Okay, so both of the courses comprise of 6 credit hours. Okay, so in the following semester, you can see there is a slash, yeah. For example, AMPO 5103 slash AMPY 5103. So what does it mean here? These are the examples of the electives offered in Master of Psychology. So you can choose whether you want to register for AMPO 5103, Organizational Psychology, or AMPY 5103, Advanced Educational Psychology. These are our elective. For those courses without slash, okay, it means that it is the compulsory course that you need to register. Okay, no no selections, okay, or no choice. Okay, it is a compulsory course that you need to register, right? So in your 5th and 6th semester, you have to register for master project. Okay, it involves research writing, and you need to choose the potential supervisor beforehand. Okay, and submit your research proposal. Okay, so for master project, you have to complete it within 2 semesters. Okay, so total credit hours for Master of Psychology is 41 credit hours. Okay, so our learning mood, okay, our learning mode consists of e-tutorial via Google Meet. Okay, e-tutorial is the lecture. Okay, and we do have My Inspire platform where you can download all the learning materials, okay, the articles shared by the lecturers, okay, and the most important one is the module, yeah. For each course, we do have modules, okay. It is in the form of PDF whereby you can download it and go through. Okay, on top of that, the lecturer also will share relevant materials or relevant available YouTube videos, for example, for your further perusal or further reference. All right. So next one is assessment mode. Okay. For each course, okay, except for master project, there are 2 assessment. The first one, we call it as continuous assessment. Okay, and then the second one is the final assessment. So the continuous assessment, okay, it may consist of assignment. It can be in terms of report writing. It can be in terms of video presentations. It can be in terms of online class, forum participations. Okay, so you have to identify what are the assignments, okay, in each course. Okay, how to identify? You can log in into your My Inspire, okay, type your course code, okay, and go to the assignment sections, okay. Once you have identified, once you have logged in into the system, okay, into the course code, okay, you can identify whether it consists of, you can download the assignment guideline, okay, you can identify whether it has online video presentation, or it consists of two written report, and also online forum participation. Okay, so make sure you download the assignment guideline beforehand. Okay, so you have to make sure that you pass for your continuous assessment, and also you sit for your final examinations. Okay, this is another important requirement for you to not to overlook, but make sure that you sit for your continuous assessment, submit the assignment, and sit for your final examination. You have to go through these two assessment modes. Okay, you cannot choose, you cannot opt to skip your assessment and just sit for final examinations. No, you have to take both. Okay, unlike master project, it is a continuous assessment. Okay, you have to complete the research report within 2 semesters, right? Okay. So for this semester, as I mentioned earlier, you are required to register for ethical, legal, and professional issues, AMPL 5103. The lecturer is Dr. Nurul Salikin binti Sa'ari. Okay, so for this course, okay, the first tutorial or the first class is on 24th of January 2026 at 11:30 a.m. Okay, so make sure you log in into My Inspire, go to your e-tutorial timetable, okay, and you can click at the live link. Okay, please make sure that you use OUM email address to log in into Google Meet. Okay, once you use your OUM email address, it can automatically admit into the session. Okay, so the first class in for AMPL 5103 is on 24th of January 2026 at 11:30 a.m. Okay, and for the second subject, multicultural psychology, okay, AMPM 5103, the first class is on the 25th of January 2026, 9:30 a.m. Okay, the lecturer is still the same, Dr. Nurul Salikin binti Sa'ari. Okay, so the same procedure, you have to make sure that you log in using OUM email address. Okay, and you can, once you click the live link, you can automatically join the Google Meet session. All right. So these are the two courses that you need to register in your first semester. Okay, should in case of emergency or unavoidable circumstances where the lecturer need to amend the schedules, okay, the lecturer will inform the student via the e-forum platform. So please make sure that you always log in to your My Inspire, your online forum platform, to stay updated from time to time with the latest information, yeah? Okay, in case you need further clarification regarding the program, okay, regarding Master of Psychology, okay, you can email me, okay, Dr. Amira binti Ali Mansur at amira_alimansur@oum.edu.my. Okay, so in case you need further clarification or you need any information, okay, you can either contact your learning center, or if let's say it is related to your course structure, you can direct it to learners management divisions, or you can contact me at amira_alimansur@oum.edu.my. Okay, all right. So with this, I wish you all the best, okay, for your academic journey. Okay, I hope to see you. Okay, you are welcome to come to OUM Kelana Jaya if, let's say, you have ample time. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your academic journey. And if, let's say, you need further assistance, you can contact the Learning Center, or you can email me for assistance. Yeah. Okay. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.